Hey everybody, this is Kit Holmes. It is Wednesday again, one more time for One Mind Wednesday. And today I want to talk about healthy anger and how we can direct it. When we direct it intentionally, it can be a very, very powerful catalyst for good in the world. Anger is, of course, one of the basic human emotions, though many of us, have been taught that it's not okay to be angry. It's not okay to express it, especially for those of us who were taught to be good little girls and not speak up, just disappear into the background, don't have an opinion. If you have an opinion, it better agree with the person that wants you to agree with them. Anger is necessary. It is a defense mechanism. It is a protective device. It is all of those things, and they're all very healthy. And for us to learn how to channel it appropriately. First of all, when we something crosses us and we feel that flare of anger, the idea here is to ask what it's about, what it's really about. Lots of times very, very legitimate, that someone has crossed our boundaries, somebody is out of integrity, somebody has shifted something in us, startled us into something. And yeah, we're going to react with our nervous system, we're going to react with our belief system, we're going to everything, a full body thing. But when we can practice taking a breath and saying, okay, maybe this little thing, and it happens a lot often these days, this little thing doesn't seem to warrant the amount of anger or rage that just got sparked in me. Those are the important times to take a step back and say, what is this about? Get curious about it. What is this really about? What is underneath all of this? And usually it is something that is sparking in us, saying, yeah, my integrity or my beliefs or my values, just being a good human, it's kind of being mowed over. My boundaries about here's the hill I'm going to die on. Okay, it's good to know what it is about and not shrink from it. That's the second part of this, is to not shrink from the anger, but to let it, as I heard or intuited or maybe heard from somebody else, let anger open the door so that love can walk you through. And what that means is, let the anger be a catalyst. Let it be a motivator for you to change something about the way you approach things, to look at what you believe in, to fight for what you believe in. Not by being more angry, not by being defensive, and not by saying, okay, eye for eye, tooth for tooth thing, but to take love into the situation, because we need so much more of that these days. Especially, we need to meet the hate with love. We need to meet the darkness with light. We need to meet anger with a focused intention that love is going to walk us through this, do all of this. I hope that makes sense. It is something to ponder, which is what I always love to give you, is something to ponder. So, let the anger motivate you. Don't stuff it. Please do not stuff it. Let yourself have it. I give myself the hissy fit, the 5-minute hissy fit. I want to whine, I want to complain, I want to do all those things. I allow myself the human part of it, and then I move into the spiritual choice. The anger motivates me. The love moves me through that door, because I want to bring more love and light into the world. That's my intention. Those are my values. That's what I work at daily being, so that I'm not just creating more of the stress and the tension and the anger and the hate. All right. So this is Reverend Kit for One Mind Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing, liking, watching. Just a little side note. When you go to the YouTube, where all of these videos are, the YouTube channel, and that address is in the description of this post, the more you watch on YouTube, the better I move towards. The more you subscribe to watching these, and they're free, I can start to monetize videos. It's real important. I'm really trying to monetize without being obnoxious in my, I'm not selling, it's just everybody's trying to make a living, and I am too. My work in the world, I believe in my work in the world, and if you support it, thank you for doing that. But just a little hint. If you go to the YouTube and you watch it, please subscribe so it counts. All right? One Mind Wednesday. What are the one mind? We are all a part of the one mind, the collective consciousness, the greater consciousness. We're all in this together, so kindness matters. Love is indeed the only answer. I love you all dearly. I will see you again next week. See you on Substack. See you on YouTube. See you on Instagram. Everywhere else I'm posting this. Thank you for sharing. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.